Today we are going to show you around our workshop. First, let's get started in the welding workshop. Come on. So this is our welding workshop. As you can see, there are 4 rubber welding machines. The biggest one could be used to weld 300-ton double point power press. This is a welding machine specially designed for the forging gear welding. And this is the steel plate positioning area. Before welding, the steel plate will be positioned here and then sent to the welding area. After welding, the press frame will be put into the furnace for heat treatment and short frosting. And then we will conduct the first paint for anti-rust purpose. This is the area of the heat treatment and the surface treatment. There were small furnaces for crankshaft, forging parts. This is the medium frequency induction for the gear tips. This is the nitriding tool for ball screw. This is the machining workshop of our press frame and slide of the big machines. This is the large-scale milling and boring machines. As you can see, we are using the Leica laser device to check the accuracy after machining. This is a gantry type milling and boring center with a bolster of 12 meters. This is another milling and machining center with 2 movable bolsters. This is the 1,600-ton eccentric gear power press. We are installing it, and this is ready to be packed and shipped to the customer. These are the tie rods, columns, and the crowns of 1,600 tons ready for shipment. And this is the big foundation especially designed for installation of press machines over 800 tons. This is our machining workshop. We have 5 sets of the grinding machines for gear shafts and the gear. After induction, the gear shafts and the gears will be sent here for the final grinding process. As you can see, these are the CNC machines for small components machining. In the middle of the machining workshop, we built up a 3D inspection center. Here is the 3D inspection center. We adopt the laser device to inspect the accuracy of the slide, clutch, gear, and after inspection, we will compare the result to the drawing requirements for the record. This is a machining workshop for small parts. There are many drilling, milling, boring machines, and lathes. We design the whole control system and use the worldwide brand like ABB, Omron, Mitsubishi. This is the mechanical press assembly area. Here we install the H-frame mechanical press, and there we install the C-frame mechanical press. This is the separated assembly area for clutch, slide, and cylinders. This is the cleaning pool for crucial components of clutch and the slide. After cleaning, the components will be sent into the assembly workshop ready for installation. This is the single-point power press assembly area. This is our hydraulic press assembly area. As you can see, those are our regular 4-post structure hydraulic presses with different tonnage. These are high-end monoblock structured servo hydraulic presses for overseas customers' production line.